Anna here, and if you want to learn how to easily recreate that effect within a few clicks of a button, then you better stay tuned, because today we are going to amplify the fun by multiplying myself. Place your One R on the ground. Maintain a 2 meter distance from your One R. You can walk from side to side, around the camera, or just freestyle. It's totally up to you. As always, open the One R app. Choose Clone Trail in the Shot Lab. Select your footage and long press to track the subject. After that, generate the clone trail and the effect is complete. So this effect definitely proves that strength is in numbers, so I can't wait to see the creative ways that you guys can use this effect. But until next time, like, subscribe, and I'll see you next week.